Hi guys, in this video I'm going to take you through a quick demo of how you can place your first order with InboxKit. Step 1 would be buying your domain. For that you can just navigate to the domain section and click on buy domain. Once you click on buy domain, you'll get a search panel to search for the preferred domain name. You can just put your brand name here and select the TLDs you want and just click on search. As the domains have come up, I can just select one or just select all and click on add to cart. Post that, I can go to the next option, update the domain forwarding, my DMARC email, and enable or disable mass forwarding. After that, I can just update my registration details. And the next step will just be checking out. I'll just use my wallet balance because I already have funds loaded in. And I can check out directly from here. So once you check out, you will be able to see your domains in the domain section under the filter active. Here I can see all my domains. Once the domains are active, I can simply go to the mailboxes section, click on buy mailbox. I can write the name down for which I want to create my mailbox with. Let's say Saksha. I can select the ESP. I'll go with Google. I'll select all of the domains that I have recently bought and I'll just choose a profile. Let's just put a random one here. I click on add more mailboxes and I can create 3 more cadences. For now, we'll just go with 1. So the next step would just be checking out and confirm purchase. Either my subscription slots will be used or the additional slots will be used. I can select the wallet. I can select to go with the wallet balance and just click on confirm purchase. Once I click on confirm purchase in the mailboxes sections, these mailboxes will start pairing once they are completed, which takes a few minutes. I can click on more section and able to access the password of these mailboxes and generate OTPs to easily log in into them without any issues. I can even go in the settings and update any of things I want to update. Once your mailboxes are created, you can just do a one-time step, which is going to be adding your sequencer credentials. For that, you can just click on add sequencer, select the sequencer you want to import to, put your credentials and just click connect. Once you have done that, your credentials will be visible in the sequencers. After that, you can just click on exports, create an export job to export all your mailboxes to either any of the platforms that you have set up. For now, I'll just select Smartlead. I'll select all my mailboxes and click on create export job. Once I've done that, these will be queued and these will start exporting within a few minutes. So this is how you can place your first order from domain purchase to mailbox purchase and setup and exporting your mailboxes to the right sequencer that you want to do. You can definitely reach out to us through this chat support or reach out to us as support@inboxkit.com. We'll be happy to support you to place your first order further.